1, 2, the cut down. Samsung Galaxy Unpacked 2021 April 28th. And what Samsung are saying is that they will be unpacking the most powerful Galaxy yet. What should it be? Is it one of these, the solid state ones that they've established? It can't be. Not for April. They've never done anything like that for April. For April? Man, we've just had the S21 series. Or is it one of these folding bad boy beast? It could be. Maybe not this particular one. It might be the Z Flip. But we're going to look at the preview video. It might not be what you think. We're going to chime in and see what we are talking about. Let's check this preview out. This is welcome to a very special Unpacked. The most powerful Galaxy is coming. April 20th, 2021. Watch Unpacked live. 28th. 9 days from now. What does this preview say? This should not take that long. That opening sequence is very, very obvious to me personally. It could signify the Z Flip. It could do. Because at this time, the Z Flip was announced. Ever so slightly after, it was pretty much in line with the S series. It could be. It could be a foldable device, but it might not be the foldable device that you're thinking. Most powerful. And if we're thinking about most powerful, right? This is an odd time for Samsung to be doing an Unpacked event. It really is. But I don't think it's a mobile phone. I don't think it's a mobile phone. I don't believe it's a mobile phone. What other products does Samsung make? They make tablets, they make TVs, they make washing machines, they make home appliances. What is the one product that they make that people don't really pay attention to that much? Laptops. I think this is Galaxy Books. I think they're going to revive the Galaxy Books and they're going to bring back the Galaxy Books. Now, I don't know what's going to be in there in terms of the internal power. Is it going to be AMD based? Is it going to be Intel based? Is it going to be Qualcomm based with their system on a chip, ARM design? It might even be Exynos. It might actually be them tapping into Exynos and maybe trying to attack what Apple are trying to do with their M1 system on a chip Apple Silicon platform. Now, Apple have a unique approach because with Apple, they're using it with their own operating system that really optimizes with their chipset well. Either one is running in Rosetta, which is using an emulation based approach. But I don't think it's the Flip. It could be the Flip. It could be the Flip. It could be the Flip. I don't want to put it out there. I definitely don't believe it's the Fold. Why I'm saying I don't believe it's the Fold is the Fold was originally announced in August and came out in September. Give it a year. Anytime sooner than that is just too soon. There's no rush. We want to make sure that we get the third generation done correctly. It could be the Z Flip because obviously it did a flip emotion, but you see, I think that giveaway at the beginning sequence signifies it to be the traditional folding device that we've all known for years, which is a laptop. I think it's the Galaxy Books. I'm putting it out there. I'm just putting it out there. I think it's the Galaxy Books. I think it's the Galaxy Books. It could be the Z Flip though. It could be the Z Flip. It's all guessing games. Not far away. 9 days from now. And Samsung are saying that they're going to be unpacking their most powerful Galaxy. And it's coming. Quick fire one. But these are my thoughts on the Galaxy Unpacked 28th of April 2021. Saving your calendars.